What if I told you there's a YouTube channel that's 9 months old, has over 1 million subscribers, and is potentially pulling in $1,000 every single day, with 0 human hosts, 0 camera, and 0 studio? I know, I had the same face you're making right now, but I looked into it. I verified it, and then I did what any reasonable person would do.
I copied it.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly what this niche is, why it works, and how I built my own version of it, step by step, for under $20. Let's go. The niche is AI-generated English learning podcasts. Here's the idea. 2 AI hosts have a slow, natural conversation in English. No news, no controversy, just 2 people talking about everyday stuff. Commuting, food, hobbies, weekend plans. Sounds almost too simple, right? That's what I thought, but then I checked the numbers. One channel in this niche, 9 months old, is consistently pulling 3 to 4 million views per month. And here's how you know they're monetized. They have YouTube's Super Thanks button enabled. That's a partner program exclusive. You can't fake that. So when you run the math, average RPM of $3 to $8 per 1,000 views, that channel is clearing anywhere from $11,000 to over $30,000 a month. Per month. For AI people talking about bus routes. I'm not even mad, I'm inspired. Before I get into the how, I want to quickly explain why this works, because it's actually clever. There are hundreds of millions of people actively trying to improve their English. They want real conversations, not textbooks. Podcasts are perfect for that, but most English podcasts are either too fast, too formal, or packed with slang that makes no sense if you're not already fluent. These AI podcasts fill that gap perfectly. Slow pace, clear pronunciation, simple topics, totally accessible. And from a creator's standpoint, it's a content machine. New episode every few days. No scheduling guests, no recording setup, no editing headaches. Before AI, you'd be paying voice actors $500 to $1,000 per episode to make this happen. Now, you can do the whole thing for under $20. That's not a side hustle, that's a business model. The tool I used for this is called Wondercraft. I've tested a lot of AI audio tools. Most of them do one thing okay and everything else poorly. Wondercraft is different. It handles scripting, voice generation, captions, and video editing all in one place. And they just added a video editor, which is new, which is exactly why I'm making this video. Let's walk through how I built a full podcast episode from scratch. First, the script, and this part is completely free. Inside Wondercraft, there's a built-in AI agent. I switched her to audio mode and gave her a prompt. Here's what worked for me. I told her the podcast name, the audience it serves, the 2 hosts, I called them Lauren and Ethan, and the episode topic. In my case, how they get around San Francisco. Lauren drives, Ethan takes the train. Instant conflict, instant conversation. I also told her the episode should be 10 to 14 minutes long and include an intro, a casual back and forth conversation, and a wrap-up. Then I let her run. She drafted a script, analyzed it, decided it was too short, which honestly, same. Then went back in and expanded it automatically. No extra prompting from me. By the time she finished, it was sitting right at 12 minutes. Then I just read through it, trimmed a couple of awkward lines, and cleaned up the ending. Now for the voices, Wondercraft has a genuinely ridiculous number of voice options, like almost too many. First time I opened it, I just stared for a solid minute. My advice, use the filters. I filtered by American accent, podcast style, female voice for Lauren. Found one called Georgia that sounded natural and clear. Then did the same for Ethan, filtered for male, and landed on a voice called Alan. Done. 2 hosts, 5 minutes of searching. Now here's something worth knowing before you generate. Wondercraft has 2 generation modes. Standard mode, each voice clip is separate. Slower, cleaner, every word pronounced clearly. Combo mode, clips blend together into one audio file. More casual, more natural sounding overlap. For an English learning podcast, I went with standard mode. The whole point is that listeners can follow along. Combo mode sounds cooler, but slower and clearer wins for this audience. One more thing, AI voices aren't magic. Sometimes a word gets garbled or the pacing sounds slightly off. Wondercraft gives you 2 free regenerations per clip. Use them. It takes 30 seconds and fixes most issues. Here's where the new feature comes in. Once your audio is done, you switch to video editing mode inside Wondercraft. Same platform, same project, no exporting and importing anywhere. Now, you don't need anything fancy visually. The top performing channels in this niche all follow the same simple formula. 1, a background image of the AI hosts. 2, an animated audiogram. That little waveform that bounces with the audio. 3, large, clear captions on screen. That's it. That's the whole visual formula. And it works. For the background image, I used an AI image generator called Imagen, Google's tool. Accessed it through a free Leonardo.ai account. You get 150 free credits per day just for logging in. Each image costs 140 credits, so one free image per day, no watermark, commercial use allowed. I prompted it to generate 2 podcast hosts sitting across from each other in a modern apartment. Looked professional, took about 45 seconds. Back in Wondercraft, upload the image, drop in the animated audiogram, place it somewhere clean on the image, add the podcast name as a text overlay, and then add captions. The caption sync is genuinely impressive. Because Wondercraft generated the audio itself, it knows exactly where every word lands. Block-style captions, each word highlighted as it's spoken. I adjusted the color slightly, and that was it. Optional add-on, a 10-second intro jingle. You can generate one inside Wondercraft for literally less than half a credit. I asked for something warm and upbeat, set the volume to 20% with a 3-second fade out, and dropped it at the start. It costs almost nothing and makes the whole thing feel more polished. So here's what we ended up with. A 12-minute, fully produced AI podcast episode. 2 hosts, natural conversation, clean captions, professional background image, intro jingle. Total cost, around $16 in credits after the discount. Compare that to $500 minimum for human voice actors. And that's assuming you can find good ones quickly, brief them properly, and don't need revisions. AI just quietly demolished an entire production cost center, and most people haven't noticed yet. Here's the part I want you to actually think about. This isn't just a fun experiment, it's a repeatable system. Pick a topic, generate a script, clone the voices for every episode so your hosts sound consistent. Post consistently. Let the algorithm do its thing. The channels winning in this niche aren't doing anything exotic. They're just showing up every few days with another simple, well-produced episode. That's the whole strategy. And because the content is genuinely useful, people actually are learning English from these, the audience retention is strong, which means the algorithm keeps pushing it. It's one of those rare cases where what's good for the viewer and what's good for the creator actually align. Look, I've tried a lot of online business ideas. Some worked, some were disasters I don't talk about anymore. But this one is different because the barrier to entry is low, the demand is real, and the tools are finally good enough to make it work without a production team. If you want to try it yourself, start with a free Wondercraft account, generate a script, test a couple of voices, and see what you create. The whole first episode costs you almost nothing. And if it goes nowhere, you spent an afternoon and a few dollars. But if it works, well, someone's already making $1,000 a day talking about bus routes. Might as well be you. If this was useful, subscribe. I post about AI tools and online business every week, and I only cover stuff I've actually tested myself. Drop a comment below. Would you try this niche, or do you have a different topic in mind? And I'll see you in the next one.